What? Where do I need to be?
Everybody, welcome Simon! Hey guys, and welcome back to a brand new video. So if you are passionate about skincare and seek products that are effective and affordable, then this is the channel for you. So please do make sure you subscribe down below and join our little skincare family. And without further ado, let's get into today's video. And good afternoon everyone, and I hope you are all keeping well. And I'm so incredibly excited to share with you that today's video is sponsored by FaceMasksClub.com. But of course, all opinions are my own and honest as always. So, who loves a good face mask? That little 10 to 15 minutes of a pamper when you're just putting your sheet mask on and you're relaxing, you're unwinding, and you're just getting rid of those pesky skin concerns. And not forgetting your cup of tea and some chocolate biscuits. Oh. And what is great about FaceMasksClub.com is that they offer a subscription service between 5 or 7 different sheet masks each month, delivered straight through your letterbox, so they are ready and waiting for you when you get home from work, just to relax and unwind and just pamper yourself. However, you can also choose the option of purchasing only one box to either treat yourself or to give a gift as a present to a loved one. And I'm sorry, but I'm filming this on the 25th of October, and that means it's exactly 3 months until Christmas. So exciting! And let me tell you this, we all need a bit of festive cheer after the year we've all had. Oh God, goodbye 2020, hello 2021. And FaceMasksClub.com actually ship worldwide, so I know all of you can enjoy this newly start-up small business and just treat yourself or treat somebody that you love to a really nice collection of sheet masks each month, and you can even have a free personalised message in there as well, which is just fantastic. And I'll link Face Mask Club's website in the description box down below for you guys to check out. And yeah, let's get on with these face masks because I have so many to suit a varied skin types and also skin concerns. And first up, we have this Juice Time Grape Sheet Mask, which has the ingredients like glycerin, butylene, glycol and sodium hyaluronic just to really hydrate the skin. And we also have peony extract and grapefruit extract just to really provide anti-inflammatory and also antioxidant properties in there, as well as Centella Asiatica for further anti-inflammatory and also antioxidant properties just to really soothe and calm down any irritated skin from either a compromised skin barrier or really just stressed and tired and yeah, just dull skin. And along with all of those fantastic benefits, this sheet mask is just fantastic at just hydrating the skin back to, you know, its optimal self again. So it's just really great at plumping the skin and giving the skin a really nice healthy looking glow. And next we have the Black Charcoal Honey Deep Power Ringer Mask Pack. I mean, I don't know about you, but I have no idea what Power Ringer is, but the graphics on this is absolutely fantastic. Like, there's got like this little milky piggy cyborg there, which that is exactly me after a few milk chocolate biscuits. And this mask includes some fantastic ingredients like niacinamide and honey, just for some really brightening and calming benefits for the skin. It also has witch hazel in there, which is, you know, kind of misconcepted. Is that a right word? I don't know. But basically it's not as bad as everyone kind of portrays it to be, but it also has arginine, which is an amazing amino acid just for hydration and just to really support an increased collagen production as well. And these masks with these types of ingredients list are just best suited for skin that's looking a bit dull, it has uneven skin tone because of the hyperpigmentation or dark spots, and it's showing like signs of like fine lines like aging because you've got your niacinamide, you've got your honey, and also you've got the amino acids in there as well. So really fantastic. And moving on, we have the Aloe Essential Sheet Mask, which is to me a win-win because who doesn't love aloe leaf juice as a skincare ingredient for its soothing and softening and anti-inflammatory properties.
It's just a fantastic ingredient in it.
And also this sheet mask includes the likes of Centella asiatica and skullcap root extract actually, which has some fantastic anti-inflammatory properties just to really relieve stressed and tired skin. It also has licorice root extract in here, which is fantastic at brightening uneven skin tone. So this mask with that incredible ingredients list is really great for skin that's recovering from breakouts or from acne, and the skin is feeling a little bit sensitive, so it just needs some soothing and some calming but yet hydrating and some targeted ingredients in there that are really going to tackle those uneven skin tone and hyperpigmentation. And next we have this fab citrus sheet mask, which is called Sparkling Tok Tok Time Pinkful Lemon Toning Sheet Mask. Yeah, baby. And this is a perfect mask to brighten the skin when it's looking a bit dull, it's looking a bit tired, and it's showing the signs of uneven skin tone because it has a bunch of skin loving ingredients like niacinamide, citrus lemon fruit extract, which is a gentle AHA, has mallow extract, has 3 different types of hyaluronic acid. Mind blown. So this mask would be great for a really quick glow up transformation where you just want to have more plumped up, more radiant, more glowy and more dewy skin. And up next we have the Banana Essence Sheet Mask, which just calls my name because I love bananas and I love making my salted caramel fudge banana bread. Oh my god, I need to make some today. Banana extract is so good for the skin, from soothing, moisturising, hydrating, calming and also providing antioxidant benefits for the skin. I mean, just think of Glow Recipes Banana Souffle Moisturiser Cream, but on a sheet mask at a fraction of the price. And not only that, this sheet mask includes the likes of sodium hyaluronic just to really hydrate the skin further, and also ginseng root extract just to really provide calming and antioxidant properties for the skin. So this mask is absolutely perfect for your dry, your sensitive and your dehydrated skin types.
Oh, where do I need to be?
Everybody, welcome
No.
Simon!
Where do I need to be?
Where do I need to be in my heart? Sorry guys to interject on this video, but me and Simon are having a little pamper night, aren't we? And we're going to choose a face mask. So I think you should go for, not banana essence because I won.
Yes.
So Simon's going to have the Power Ringer mask pack. And I think, am I going to have the banana one? I'm going to have the banana one.
How do I look?
Like you're going to steal all my money.
15 to 20 minutes. Do you want the ingredients?
No, I already know. I already know.
So you don't need it first.
For what?
Is there no sound on it?
Yeah.
So you might be reading the ingredients.
No, I've already read all the ingredients I've already said.
Okay, alright.
A few moments later.
So it's been about 15 minutes now and we're going to just peel these off and see how our face feels. Hopefully really moisturised, soothed and nourished. It's so nice, this banana essence mask, especially for my acne around here. Ah, dear me. What do you think, Simon?
Yeah, I put it on my, I rubbed a bit on my shaving brush and it seemed to soothe it quite a lot actually.
And moving on to the next sheet mask, and I have a burning question for you guys. So, if you could only drink one sheet mask, which one would it be and why? Well, mine would be the chocolate milk sheet mask because I love chocolate milkshakes. But, I mean, I have to have almond milk now because, you know, I gotta look after my digestive system. Interestingly though, this sheet mask is great to exfoliate and brighten the skin because of the cacao in there, which is apparently a fantastic exfoliating but gentle ingredient, which I actually didn't even know that, so I've learned something new today. So I'm definitely using this as soon as my skin barrier gets back to its normal self, because this acne flare up, which is, you know, covered quite a lot by my facial hair today, is yeah, annoying me. And of course, not forgetting our 7th and last but not least sheet mask, which is the Rose Blossom Mask to brighten your skin with rose water, nourishing and hydrating. And this sheet mask contains 1% rose flower water, glycerin, sodium hyaluronate, allantoin and also betaine, just to really help further enhance the hydration levels on the skin and support a healthy skin barrier. So absolutely perfect for, you know, those skin types that have over exfoliated, are looking a bit dehydrated and are just suffering from that winter cold season. And thank you so much for supporting me and allowing me to work with some amazing skincare brands, especially small startup businesses as well, because it just really can highlight them and sort of spread their reach to all of you guys, which is just fantastic. Definitely check FaceMasksClub.com website out, because it is just so easy and quick and just straightforward, and you really will get some fantastic high quality sheet masks every month through your door. And thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you very soon for a brand new video. See you later, guys. Bye bye.